4. William Butler Yeats, perhaps the greatest Irish poet in the English language, helped generate a revival in Celtic culture. This was against a background of growing militant Irish republicanism. Remembering the penal days, when the name of Ireland was forbidden to be spoken in poem or ballad, Yeats wrote this in honour of his country and of the poet Hanrahan. In it, he recalls one of the names of Ireland's secret loves. Read Hanrahan's song about Ireland. The old brown thorn trees break in two high over common strand, under a bitter black wind that blows from the left hand. Our courage breaks like an old tree in a black wind and dies, but we have hidden in our hearts the flame out of the eyes of Kathleen, the daughter of Houlihan. The wind has bundled up the clouds high over Knocknarea, and thrown the thunder on the stones for all that Maeve can say. Angers that are like noisy clouds have set our hearts a beat, but we have all bent low and low, and kissed the quiet feet of Kathleen, the daughter of Houlihan. The yellow pool has overflowed high up on Clouth na Bear, for the wet winds are blowing out of the clinging air. Like heavy flooded waters, our bodies and our blood, but purer than a tall candle before the holy rood is Kathleen, the daughter of Houlihan.